identify the right patients who would be willing to give us. It is extremely critical that you have a. Hi, my name is Ali Raza. I'm the founder and CEO of Max Dental Marketing. And today we're going to talk about 4 ways in which you can increase the amount of reviews that you have for your dental practice. Quick question. Whenever you're about to engage any new business, what is the first thing that you do online? You would probably take out your mobile phone and do a quick research about the business, what they are like, what their business owner is like, what their online repetition is like. So that means online repetition is even more important than it has been in the past. So it is extremely critical that you have a strong set of online reviews on whichever social profiles you are present right now. The first strategy that we ask our dental practice owners to do is make sure that you're timing your reviews correctly. And that means you should ask for reviews from your patient at the right time. What is the right time? The right time is probably the time when the patients are expressing some sort of satisfaction for the procedure that they just went ahead and got done, or when they are coming in and making their payments, or when they're expressing that their procedure has been completed. So the right time is extremely critical. It is also important that the doctors and the staff of the dentistry be extremely sensitive to the sentiments that the patient is expressing. So if the patient has expressed a sentiment that is positive, you might go ahead and just snap out your mobile phone or maybe ask for a quick testimonial or a review, a video review, or some words on a piece of paper that you can then use online. The second tip that we have seen working with dental practices is that utilize QR codes, and that means utilize technology. And this means simply have the QR codes of your dentistry printed across your business cards, have it printed across prominently your logos, or somewhere whenever a person is entering your dentistry, have it placed prominently so people can quickly scan it and probably leave a review once they're done with the procedure. And it is extremely important for your dental staff to make sure that they're able to guide the patients to give the reviews online by simply taking out their mobile phone, scanning it, and leaving a review online. The third tip that we recommend our dental practice owners to do is have some kind of automated software that is going to send out the reminders to the dental patients. So for example, whenever a patient has come in and they're done with the procedure, and when they're leaving out, it is extremely important for the software to know the timing and send the patients a quick text message or an email message or maybe an automated phone call that'll prompt them to provide or leave a review online. The fourth tip that we provide our dental practice owners with is make sure you're doing some kind of personal follow-up calls. It is a great idea to go ahead and have the dental practice owner or the owner of the dentistry give a call to the most VIP patients or great patients or prominent patients and ask them for a review over the phone. You can record that testimonial and have it posted on your website. And with this call that is done between the dental practice owner and the patient, it'll help the dental practice owner build a great relationship, a great long-lasting relationship between the patient and the dental practice owner. The fifth tip that we recommend our dental practice owners to do is have some kind of a cash incentive. So if the team is successfully able to get 30 reviews every month, they get a certain cash reward or they get a certain bump in their monthly salaries. Whatever you reward, you see more of it. So if there is a culture in the team that every now and then we're collecting reviews, we're collecting testimonials from patients, it'll give us a strong database, it'll give us a strong showcase for us to have those reviews posted on social platform. We can always have our team identify the right patients who would be willing to give us great testimonials. So for example, the dental practice owner would be really busy with a lot of the procedures that they're doing, but the dental staff knows who's happy and who's not. So having that team come in a room and identify the amount of people, identify the names of the people who would be willing to give us great testimonials, and probably come up with a kind of a list, and someone from your team would probably call them and ask them for a review. And a review is extremely simple to capture online. All you can do is simply ask them to send you a voice message, a WhatsApp voice message or a phone message that you can then send to your website development team. They can cut, they can edit that and have it as a voice note on your website. They can have it on Trustpilot. They can have it on the social media profiles. So that's it. These are the 5 ways using which you can start gathering more and more reviews online. Stay tuned for more tips in order to improve your dental practice.